Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by targeting hyperlocal channels that people actually use. Open Nextdoor and Facebook groups for your ZIP and search garage sale or yard sale, then turn on notifications. Walk past the library or coffee shop this morning and photograph bulletin boards. Many sellers rely on print. Once done, create a simple note with the address, date, and time so you won't lose it. This immediate mix of online alerts and physical checks starts you finding actual sales within hours. Next, convert collected addresses into a route on your map app and cluster sales that are close together. Once done, message or call a host if times aren't listed. This prevents wasted trips. Make quick decisions. Pick 3 to 5 stops based on item types you want, expected value, and driving time. As you set the route, estimate how long you'll spend at each stop and factor in parking. This organized middle stage turns scattered leads into a practical shopping plan. Now execute the plan, arrive early, scan items fast, and test anything fragile. Carry cash and a tape measure, photograph items for later comparison, and make offers starting around 50% of asking. If a seller says no, thank them and move on. Walking away often yields a better counteroffer. If you hit multiple no-shows, expand your search radius and recheck Nextdoor and Facebook 48 hours before weekends. Sometimes listings appear last minute. That troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.